Hey guys, how you doing? Okay, so let's have a conversation. Let's take a moment and talk about my condition. First of all, y'all know it happened way back in June, all right? And everything's going great. My healing is going great. I can lift this arm again. I can use it. I can grab a bowl and I can mix. So activity's coming back. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the prayers. And by the grace of God, it's all going to come back and I'll be back to normal. My annoying self. So anyway, I just want to talk about food right now because most of you don't know that my eating habits have leaned, not that you see it on the show, because the show's different, but my eating habits off camera are like no bread, no pasta, no potatoes, no rice, very ketogenic type eating. And I've done some ketogenic videos, okay? But on the air, on the show, I may take a bite of bread, I may take a bite of a piece of cake, but then I give the food away. A lot of you think I'm eating what I cook. I'm doing it for an example, like the Bliss bars from Starbucks. Those are delicious. I wish I could eat them, but I can't. Did I do good? That was a great video. We nailed it. Okay? So since I can't have bread, I saw these Jimmy Dean breakfast sandwiches. They're called WICH, the breadless breakfast sandwich. Okay? I have both flavors. I grabbed them immediately. I got all excited because I don't eat bread anymore. All right? This one here is the ham, bell pepper, mushroom, bacon, and onion egg frittata. And they make a frittata, and that's your bread for your sandwich. Okay? So we're going to heat these up. We're going to try them out right now, and I'm going to see whether I recommend them to you guys or just don't. Just make your own scrambled eggs. All right? So let's get these heated up, and then I'll try them out. All right, so here's the boxes. This is what the sandwiches look like. I want to show you how big it is. There's my hand. Okay? So I can hide the whole sandwich. Okay, this sandwich here is in the microwave right now. Once it comes out, you immediately remove it from package and let it stand for 2 minutes. I got to tell you the directions because you guys ain't going to read the box. Remember, don't remove these from the pouch. You're just going to open a corner of these pouches so it doesn't blow up. But you're not going to take the whole thing out. I know it says it on the box, but I'm reminding you. So there you go. Let's heat them up right now. Okay, here they are resting for 2 minutes. They've both been heated up. We're going to give them a try right now. So, I don't know if there's other flavors. These are the only two we had at our store. We have the green one. We have the red one. All right? Both of them are turkey, sausage, and cheese. If you don't like turkey sausage, then you might want to look around for other flavors, okay? But both are turkey sausage and cheese flavor. All we're talking about is the difference in each egg frittata and whether they're any good, okay? So this is the first one we warmed up. Let's give it a try. The egg frittata works great as bread, and it sticks together. It's got good substance and good flavor. That one's a good one. I like that one. Right. Or coffee. Ready? Here we go. There's the other one. I like the red box better. I like the ham, bell pepper, mushroom, bacon, and onion egg frittata better than the bacon spinach one. All right? They're both good. They're both great. You can heat it up, then run to the car after it's done. Wait 2 minutes and start eating, okay? It's a great breakfast when you're on the go. These are both good. You can't go wrong with either one. I like turkey sausage. Try these out. I recommend them. They're really good. They're great for a small breakfast, not heavy in your stomach, on the go when you got to run. All right? I got to run. I love you. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye-bye.